Stop what you're doing.
What? Why?
Look man, no one cares about your stupid videos.
I'll have you know my
22.
subscribers are looking forward to my next video.
But seriously, they don't care if you don't upload for over a week.
I guess that's true.
I got a way better idea for a video anyway, just come with me.
Billy the Fridge has the worst intro in the history of anything ever. I'm exaggerating, of course, but hear me out. Before you get triggered,
I get dressed in the morning, I'm triggered. I take a shower, I'm triggered. I get in the car, I'm triggered.
I actually like Billy the Fridge.
You're just hating on YouTubers for views. Hater, hater, hater.
I have nothing against him, and I actually like some of his music, like his diss tracks. Let's watch his intro now.
Billy the Fridge!
The intro is very bland in my opinion. All it really does is say his name. Here we go. I'm going to recreate it now.
I do everything.